my jacket? Me too. In today's video, I am turning a jacket that I got from Walmart for $7.99 into this, okay? So to be honest, the steps aren't really that difficult. So in order to make the video a little bit more interesting, I figured now is a good time for y'all to get to know me. Okay, we about 5 videos in, and I haven't shared much detail about myself. So throughout the video, I'm gonna be dropping random facts. Today's video, we're making this jacket. Let's get it cracking. The first thing I did was cut off the bottom hem. Then I put it in the washer so the raw edges could fray. Next, use these markers to write random words all over the jacket. Be sure to go over it a couple times just to make sure the letters are as dark as possible. The first word I'm writing is beauty. Your beauty is created by who you are, and for the past few years, I've been taking a journey to become the person I want to be. I can truly say I feel beautiful on the inside and out. Chloe Creates is my business. It's my brand. Chloe is my middle name, and right now, Chloe just trying to create an empire. I'm writing this next phrase near my shoulder because I actually have this phrase tattooed on my shoulder. Living an angry life is not really fun, y'all. So even in the worst situation, I try to always find a reason to smile. So I don't even know why I wrote the word fancy on this jacket because I am the furthest thing from fancy. Okay, y'all? Like, I'm so not fancy. I'm on a journey to minimalism. I love to pay it forward or to find a way to make somebody's day or to make them smile, and that's why you'll see kind on the other side. The definition of a boss is someone in charge of an organization or a person. Essentially, my life is an organization, and guess what? I'm the boss. Next, we add the eyelets. Growing up, I wanted to be a teacher, so let's see if I can make these directions simple. First, trace the inside of the eyelet and cut out the circle. Next, place the eyelet barrel inside the hole from underneath the fabric. Set the anvil under the eyelet with the smooth side down. With the teeth facing down, place the eyelet over the barrel. Place the setter over the barrel of the eyelet. Make sure the anvil is on a very hard surface because the next step is to hit it with a hammer. Now add the gems. I got ready to glue the jewels on and I can't find my brand new bottle of E6000. I don't know about the rest of y'all out there who has children, but if I'm ever riding in the car and my back seat is empty, my music is up loud, and it's profanity. It's trap music central up in here, okay? Like, when else can you listen to your trap music? Like, when else? So, I see I'm gonna get to the store. All right, y'all. I'm pulling up, and before I go to Michael's, I feel like this is a good time to let y'all know a little bit more about myself. My favorite store, Home Depot. Ah! I have this obsession with tiny houses, right? But the way my life is set up, you know, I'm married, I have 2 children. So the chances of me moving into a tiny house are like slim to none, at least at this stage in my life. So in the meantime, I have this fascination with sheds. So I'm thinking about getting me a she shed, y'all. So while we're here, let's take a look.
Very tall. I could put a loft up there for the kids to play in. I can't do nothing with this. Like, my table won't even fit in there. I'm good. Okay, I'm not mad at this.
The last step is to glue the gems to the jacket. I arranged mine before gluing them to make sure I like the design. At some point I feel like I'm gonna have to show y'all this jacket, but the problem is I used to be a model a long time ago and I forgot everything I learned. I figured if I tried a slow motion feature on my camera it'd be a little less awkward, so here goes. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video where Chloe gonna create something new.